channel. My name is Parsh and today we're going to be focusing on divisibility rules. Now, in this video, I won't be covering all divisibility rules. I will only be covering the divisibility rules of the numbers 2 to 5. I'm going to be uploading a video very soon for the divisibility rules of the numbers 6 to 9. So please stay updated for that, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to start off with the divisibility rule of 2. So let's say I have the number 146 and I want to see if it's divisible by 2. So the divisibility rule of 2 is relatively simple. All I need to do is take a look at the last digit and see if it's divisible by 2. Our last digit in this case is the number 6. And let's see, is 6 divisible by 2? Yes, 2 times 3 is 6. That means that the whole number 146 is indeed divisible by 2. Now let's move on to the divisibility rule of 3. Let's say I have the number 372. Alright, and now I want to see if it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so the divisibility rule of 3 is also very simple. My first step would be to add all the digits I have, which in this case are 3, 7, and 2. So 3 plus 7 plus 2 equals 12. Alright, now my second step would be to see if 12 over here is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, indeed, in this case, we have 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Alright, so that means that 372 is divisible by 3. Now, let's move on to the divisibility rules of 4. Sorry about that. Anyway, so let's say I have the number 447, and I want to see if it's divisible by 4 or not. So the divisibility 4 is similar to the divisibility rule of 2, except a bit more complex. So, in this case, you want to look at the last 2 digits, which in this case are 4 and 7. So we got 47 over here. And we want to see if 47 is divisible by 4 or not. As you guys may know, 47 is not divisible by 4. 4 times 12 equals 48, and 4 times 11 equals 44. So, anyway, so in this case, that means that our number 447 is not divisible by 4. Now let's move on to the final divisibility rule, which we'll be covering, which is the divisibility rule of 5. So by far, this will be the easiest divisibility rule that we will be covering out of the 4 today. Alright, so let's say I have the number 125, and I want to see if it's divisible by 5 or not. Alright, so it's very simple. You just want to look at the last digit and see. If it ends in a 5 or a 0, then the number is divisible by 5. If it's ending in any other number, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6, 7, 8, 9, then 125 wouldn't be divisible by 5. Anyway, that's all for today, friends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel. Till then, see you next time. Bye!